My flowers from my garden. My hyacinth, dark pink, light pink. I forgot what the pangalan ani. Anong blue. Limot ko. Kani siya nindot na siya ka autumn. Yellow and red ni siya kaning vines. Nating autumn na siya makuan. Magdahon-dahon. Oh. My oregano plants. My oregano plants and my hyacinth. Oh. Napami tulips diri Oh, wala pa na mulak. And may sibuyas dahonan. Na sibuyas dahonan. My tulips. Like that. Under the tree, my tulips started to bloom. My lavender. My other flowers. And those are strawberries. I need to cultivate those unnecessary grasses. My strawberries.